Hi everyone! Tonight's the night that I'm going to be transformed into the GC. Yeah. Hello. I can see little names coming up there, but I can't see a thing outside these glasses. So, hello. I'm going to have to take the glasses off. Right, yeah. Tonight. How are you all? Gosh, what a night. I just managed to get Nadia off the phone there because, of course, you might have heard that Piers Morgan has left GMTV, which is a bit of a shocker, I have to say. So the old WhatsApp messages are going bing, 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 bing. Crazy. So you're excited, Nat. I'm really glad you're excited, and Christine's excited. We're all excited. So here I am, about to be transformed into the JC. I'm waiting for Donna to come up, because we're doing the circle tonight, Nadia and I. Well, we did it last September, actually. But the first one's on tonight. I'm wetting myself because we made a complete arse of ourselves. Complete arse of ourselves. Could be career ending, but then that seems to be in fashion at the moment, so it doesn't really matter, does it? So here I am in leopard print. Yeah, Gemma Collins, Morgan. Gemma Collins. Let me in, says Donna. Let me in. Oh, I can't go live with... You've requested patience. Patience. What do you mean, Donnie, you've been asleep? You haven't heard what's happening? Won't be watching GMB tomorrow. It's a shocker. I have to... How are you, love? You well?
Are we, is it the Flintstones? Is it the Flintstones?
Kitty, man, look. Look.
Right, I'll tell you what.
You'll
Be getting the nosebleed tonight. You're going to get so hot.
And look, I've got a pink silk thing on.
Right, well
Look
done.
Have you heard about Piers Morgan?
Yeah, did you see it this morning?
No, but you heard he walked.
Yeah. I mean, I saw it, and then I thought, well, he might be disciplined for that. Wow, so who knows whether or not, he's walked or was he pushed?
Let's not speculate.
Let's not speculate, not allowed.
I need my job, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Though having said that, after the circle, I may not have a job.
True. Oh no, so, are you really showing yourself up?
We make complete arses of ourselves. Lots of people, oh, look, somebody said I'm gutted he's left. Somebody said act like a small...
What was that?
Somebody said... Hi, Ian. Bonnie is eating your pasta. Bonnie has eaten your pasta, but there's something else there. She's defrosting it. Okay. Piers Morgan's left GMB. Oh, anyway, I'm on this.
She don't care.
Don't say that. Oh my God. Right, so tonight the circle starts. Complete embarrassment. Nadia and I took leave of our senses. It was September. We were in COVID madness and we're really embarrassed about it. But hey ho, never mind. So
and it's on tonight at 9 o'clock, isn't it?
It's on tonight at 9:15, and Nadia and I are catfishing. Hi, Summer, you're very excited. Catfishing, as Gemma calls